Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Jasper AI. For that, open your source browser and type their Jasper AI and open their website. And now you have to tap on login button and you have to enter your email address, or you can simply tap on continue with Google. That will be a lot easier. Just tap on that and select your Google account, and then it will ask you it will ask you to give them access about your name, profile picture and email address. And after reading this, tap on continue button, and after that what you need to do is just wait. Just kidding guys, enter your first name and your last name and then tap on create account button, and then you need to choose what industry does your company work in. Just tap and select this and then tap on this button, and now you need to choose the size of your company and tap on this button again, and you need to tell them what kind of work you do. And after that tap on this button and you need to tell them which of the following best describe your marketing or something, your role function. And after that tap on this button and you need to tell them what's your work name on your, and then you need to tell him and then you need to tell it what's your workspace name. After that tap on this button, and that is how you need to enter your company URL, and you can skip it for now and it will start to create your space. And you need to and then you'll have to select a plan, and you can also try their 7-day free trial, and after that you are good to go. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.